try this again. Let's see if I can hear the fuel pump. Fuel pump's on. Hope that little clip kind of gave you a little hope for me that I can do this, because it should start. But in the mail today I got the valve cover gasket, and I checked the shipment today. In the mail I should be getting a new ignition coil, because we did a little ghetto test that it just didn't spark. So I got a new ignition coil and a new distributor rotor, and if all else fails I get a new distributor, and I basically wasted money. Well, what's new? So I'm gonna get started on the valve cover gasket, and I'll put in the new distributor cap, and it will start the car. And I'll roll it outside and roll it back in, because it is dark as hell outside. This should start, because I'm not making this video unless the car starts. Yeah. Let's do it! Mailman's here. Ignition coil, distributor rotor, nozzles. Look right here, this is the new rotor, and I'm gonna take off the old rotor. Distributor rotor nut is rusted on, and basically I can't get it out. These screws are also rusted on, so tried everything. I don't even think I'm supposed to. I even sprayed WD-40. I don't think I'm supposed to do that either. So I'm gonna keep those two the ignition coil and the new rotor as spares, and I'm actually gonna get a new distributor in the next couple of days. Hopefully I can get it for a good price. If not, then I'm just gonna go to O'Reilly's, purchase a brand new one, and at least if it doesn't work, I have O'Reilly's to fall back on, so we can work something out. Alright, big time jump between the end of the last part of this video to this part, because I had to order the distributor. Came in yesterday at night, so I didn't really get to doing it. But there's a distributor from O'Reilly's, and I'm gonna install it today. So, new distributor. 1 day shipping, so not too bad. Next day shipping, not too bad. O'Reilly's. It comes with a warranty, so I'm not too worried about this. This should all work out. I have to just. Everything fits, and it kind of all flush. It fits all flush and nice. But this position of this bracket is now over here, and the position of the ignition coil is on the opposite side. So I don't know, but
They can order it.
okay, great, thank you. Whatever. Video will continue when I get the new distributor, because O'Reilly's got me f***ed up. All right, round 2. Came back. O'Reilly did have a new distributor, so hopefully this one works. Moment of truth. Plug the battery in. forgot to plug in the fuel relay. Alright, let's try this again. Let's see if I can hear the fuel pump. Fuel pump's on. Oh. I need to figure out how to plug that in, but open. I have to open up the back door because woo, it smells so bad. Damn, this thing. Oh my god, it works. Oh shit. Okay. Well. Oh my god. What a dead distributor. Shit, alright. Damn. Hella happy right now. Plan to take the car outside and going to put the original chair back in so I can just bolt it down. Right now nothing's cut out and I really can't fit a chair kind of in this area. It's too squished. So, we're bringing it outside. Damn, this is hella ghetto. Okay. Well, the camera fell, so, but outside my house, gonna install the new chairs. So glad the car's running. So technically I can drive this up and down the block, and I should, because, well, I haven't driven this car in a while and I should probably charge the battery because I kept turning it on and off. So let's drive it around for 10 minutes. Can you press the red button?
Yeah.
Press it again.
I press it. Well, recording.
Ooh. Oh my god, it's alive. It is alive. And I was gonna drive it some more, but I don't have, this car's not registered. There's no insurance on it yet. And I don't have tail lights. I just drove it around the block and I also drove it up and down the block and everything. So I'm gonna end the video here. Car is alive. So damn happy. Now I can move it at least. And I can finally bring the GTI in to do some more work on it. The next video is just gonna be me cleaning it up, adding all the trim. Hopefully the tail lights will be in, and then I will have a completed street car. Yes. Yes. Alright. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Give it a like, give it a dislike if you disliked it. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!